Now from that pine tree right there, put this in the, warm. It's not really warm. It's in the middle between scalding hot and almost like in the middle temperature. All right, now we're gonna put this in a tea bag in here. Then you see it steaming. You know what I'm saying? And just let it seep. And voila. You know what I'm saying? Check out the okra growing, you know what I'm saying? It is. Now this, you know what I'm saying, this is an excellent source of insulin too, but you gotta know how to do that though, you know what I'm saying? You gotta know how to do that. That's another secret, you know? I ain't true. It is.